In this video, I will explore how to measure reliability of the scales for the variables that were used in our study. So for the measurement of reliability of the scales, open your SPSS datasheet. I have opened it. So firstly, goes to analyze, then go to scale and click on reliability analysis. For this, a new dialog box will open which requires your items, not your whole variable. So for this I will put all items of a variable, and in this datasheet my first variable is perceived environment quality, which has 4 items. So I have to select 4 items and put it in items, then simply goes to statistics and checked all descriptives for item, scale, and scale if item deleted. Simply click on continue and click on OK. Output file will be opened, and reliability statistics which shows Cronbach alpha's value. Cronbach alpha simply shows the reliability of your variable. It has 2 references. First one is value of Cronbach alpha must be greater than 0.6, and the second reference is which is the most strong reference, who says that the Cronbach alpha's value must be greater than 0.7, and in this case our value of Cronbach alpha is 0.701, which means greater than 0.7. So we have to follow the strong references. I will provide these 2 references in the description of the status. So this is the process through which you can measure your reliability of your scales. Thank you for watching.